Hi everyone! In today's easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make anime AI art in Midjourney. Welcome to the channel. Let's dive into it. So on your Discord homepage, select a server with a Midjourney bot on it. And before we start, you should always remember that when you are making an anime art, make sure you include keywords such as anime or manga into your prompt every single time. Otherwise, you'll get a regular drawing. So while that being said, let me show you an example. Let's start with slash imagine command and hit enter. So first part of my prompt would be my medium. So I want a 2D drawing. So let's start with the keyword anime, and second part would be my adjectives. Also you can squeeze some anime related words here. So I'm going to write down kawaii. To stylize, I'm going to write down one of my favorite anime artists, which is Hayao Miyazaki, but feel free to use your own favorite anime or mangaka artist, or even you can use the name of the anime to copy that look. And I'm going to write down Studio Ghibli as well. And let's hit enter to generate, and here's our image. And as you can see, the fourth one really resembles the work of Hayao Miyazaki, so you can simply generate different variations of it, or you can also add different keywords to generate something different. But this is basically how to generate anime AI art in Midjourney. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.